At the Parks Department, we've announced that we will have a new Balloon Classic event next Labor Day weekend. A new sponsor, Hot Apple Productions out of Albuquerque, Scott and Heather Appleman. These people are extremely experienced. They do iconic events all around the country. They're a small business. They have 60 employees. They have tremendous ideas on how to make this an even more fun experience for people. Clearly, watching the balloons fly, maybe riding in some of those balloons. Scott has said we're going to have balloons of all different shapes and sizes. He's got some special surprises, but equally importantly, he's going to bring other elements to this event, possibly a car show, perhaps a food truck competition. So it should be an exciting Labor Day weekend next summer in Colorado Springs.
I'm Scott Appleman with Hot Apple Productions. We're the new promoter of the Colorado Springs balloon event that will take place at Memorial Park this Labor Day weekend. I believe it's the 4th through the 7th. It's a 38-year event that we're continuing on. We're going to add a few new things this particular year. We're going to have a media day on Friday, the day before, in order to get the word out about the event, hours, weather, all those types of things, help support our sponsors that are helping with the particular event. We'll be having flights Saturday, Sunday, and Monday morning of Labor Day weekend, and we'll have balloon glow night activities at the field on Saturday and Sunday night. In addition to that, the field will, of course, have concessions, local flavor, arts, crafts, children's play area, in order for us to make sure that we have something for everybody to do at the event. The first thing we need to do on this particular event is get a name for it. So we're asking the community of Colorado Springs to submit a name suggestion on our Facebook page, which is Colorado Springs Balloon Event. Very generic to start with. And it's February 17th. Submit to our Facebook page your name. The winner of that particular contest will win a hot air balloon ride for 2 at the balloon event this Labor Day weekend at Memorial Park. So get your submissions in, be timely, and hopefully you're the winner.